everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. Hope everybody hasn't ate too much candy for Halloween. We had a few trick-or-treaters last night, pretty fun. I hope your trick-or-treat was pretty fun, but today I have 2 unboxings. So I thought that I would do a combo for you. If you're new to my channel, welcome in, like, subscribe, share, comment, request, whatever you prefer, go for it. Go ahead and hit the bell to be notified when I upload videos, which is at least once a week, sometimes 2, but normally it's once a week. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. I do appreciate that. All right, so I got one here. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Got my blade. All right, let's see what we have here. This looks like it's from the shopping channel, so let's see what we got here. All right, and you get the return label and you get the information there. Okay. All right, it comes in another package, so let me go ahead and unbox that. All right, these are our Airplus silicone case in silver. That's for my hubby Ted, so he'll love that. And that's empty there. And these are our Air 4s right here. We ordered 2, so this is 1. So this is for my husband. Right, you get a charger, the Air 4 earbuds, and the plug there. It's all in one unit. So it's pretty cool. You can put anything on here and it charges really well. So we're gonna give that a try. So that's for him. We have one more here. This is from, let's see here, it looks like Best Buy maybe. So we'll see here what this is. Okay, cool. This is my Luigi 3 Mansion, and that was one of my pre-ordered games from Best Buy. So I'm looking forward to playing this on my Nintendo Switch. So this was just released on Halloween, which was pretty cool. Alright, I'll give you an update on how I like it and review and all that fun stuff. So that's Luigi's Mansion 3, I think is the way it is. Alright, that's my 2 unboxings. If you have any questions or anything like that, please leave them below. And I hope everybody's having a great Friday, TGIF. Thanks again for watching. And thanks again for watching Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a good weekend. Bye, guys.
Uh-oh.